Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we learned that Google has regions all over the world, like London, Tokyo, and Mumbai. But here is the big question, which one should you pick? You can't just choose randomly. Choosing the wrong region can make your app slow or cost you extra money. Today, we will look at the 4 key factors you must check before clicking that create button. First, let's talk about speed, technically called latency. The rule is simple: stay close to your users. If your customers are in India, don't pick a server in the USA. The signal will travel too far and your app will be slow. Always pick the region nearest to your audience. Second is compliance, or also called laws. Some countries have strict laws that say data about our citizen cannot leave the country. If you are building an app for the government or a bank, you must keep the data inside their borders. So be aware of local data laws. Now let's look at the technical side. Third is a service availability. Here is a surprise. Not every region has every tool. Newer regions often don't have the specialized services yet. So before you start, always check if the tool you need is actually available in that specific location. Fourth is pricing. Did you know the price changes based on the location? A server in Tokyo might be more expensive than a server in Iowa because electricity and taxes are different there. So, if you want to save money, check the price tag first. So, remember the checklist: speed, laws, tools, and price. If you check these 4 things, you will always pick the perfect home for your data. In the next video, we will go deeper and see what is inside a region. We will learn about zones. So, see you there.